Exercise number 6, IPV4 addressing problem solving. So in this exercise, we are going to solve 6 different problems. Okay, yes, 6 different problems we are going to solve using the concepts what we learned in the first 5 exercise. Whatever we learned, by using that we are going to solve these problems. Okay, now problem number 1. A IP address is given for us. Okay, this is an IP address. So 1.1.10.50. So this is IP address. So we have to find what is a class, what is a subnet mask, what is the network ID. Okay, so network ID also I am going to include here. So the network ID we have to find. Then first host ID, last host ID, broadcast IP address, and number of usable hosts. Okay, so these are the things we are going to find it here. So if you see the IP address, it is 1.1.10.50. So this is a class A IP address. So the class, it belongs to class A. The default subnet mask. So what is the default subnet mask means? It is going to be 255. Sorry, it is class A, no? So sorry, 255.0.0.0. So this is the default subnet mask. Then network ID. So how to find the network ID means? So it's a very simple formula. So keep only the network port. So this is going to be the network port. The host port, it should be completely 0. So then that is going to be your network ID. Okay. So I'm taking this IP address. So the first octet is 1. The remaining octets we have to make it zeros. So now I just make the remaining thing, just simply I make it 0. So this is going to be your network ID. Then first host ID. So how to find the first host ID means, so you can keep the network port as it is. So that means 1 is my network port. In the host port, you have to make everything zeros, everything 0 except the last bit. So that means second octet I'm just going to keep as it is. Okay, that means I'm going to make everything zeros here. That means 80 should be there. In the third octet also we are going to make everything zeros here, 8 bits. In the last octet I'm going to make, okay, the last bit I'm going to make this as 1. So this is the first host ID. So if you convert this into decimal, so what I'm going to get means it is 1.1.0.0.1. Okay, so this is your first host ID. Then I'm going to last host ID. So how to find the last host ID means the same thing. You have to make the host bit, all the host part we are going to make it 1 except the last bit 0. Okay, so let me calculate. So this is the network part. Then we have 3 octets, 1, 2, 3. So in the 3 octets we have to make everything once. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 except the last bit here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the last bit is going to be 0. Okay, so this is your last host ID. So if you write the equivalent decimal value, okay, so the equivalent decimal value equal to 1.255.255.254. Okay, so 254. So this is the last host IP address. Now moving on to the broadcast IP address. So broadcast IP address, so we have to make all the host bits 1. Okay, all the host bits if you make 1, it is going to be your broadcast IP address. So in that case we can directly write it. So 1.255.255.255. So this is your broadcast IP address. Then the number of usable hosts. How many hosts we can use it means in this network, in a class A network, how many usable hosts or how many valid IP addresses available. So you can calculate by using the formula 2 to the power of n minus 2. So this is the formula. So this is equal to 2 to the power of n, it is going to be the number of bits. So how many bits available in the host part. So here in the host part 1, 2, 3, that means 24 bits, okay, available. So 2 to the power of 24 minus 2. So what is this minus 2 means? So this minus 2 is, one is for your network ID, okay, the network ID, and second one it is going to be for your broadcast IP address. So these two things, okay, we are going to reduce, okay, we are going to reduce it from the total. So this will give, okay, if you calculate this, so you can refer this in the first exercise itself, okay, we have given this value for that, so you will get the answer for this. So this is going to be the total number of hosts, okay, you can just calculate it.